Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. For a good little while now, I try stabilize this channel and ensure everything them float. But if I know one thing or the other, I don't know how going. If universe a fight against me. That statement stemming from last night. Last night, I try to upload a vlog and we get copyright. As I say, guys, I really need some background music, and someone wanna link me up, but not taxing, bro. Some of you guys charging like $400 per instrument. Brother, I'm gonna pay $400 USD for an instrumental. That we outside but I probably pay $400 for like a file consisting of 30 instrumentals. However, if you are interested in donating some instrumentals to the channel, I will truly appreciate it. I'll put all your information in my description and make sure so you guys are credited for your service. So differently from that now, guys, we are going on site later today. Back in the office. Don't know how day them go. I work with 2 sites on the channel here. And that's it for now, and then we'll move on to the other side. But for now, we have to try to see if we can finish 2 sides, which are these 2 sides I'm going to show. So some people have said the project can move slow, which, as I stated in the vlog, say that's how it goes sometimes. As I said, there are 3 M's to construction: money, material, and manpower. If there is no money, are like the greatest catalyst towards the construction process. So you say money I run, trust me, I'm gonna say what to stop the construction process if money I run. But money I like the greatest factor. So if you work with a budget, and the budget are coming at a certain pace or a certain rate, that can also influence the speed, and the contractor or the person in charge can work at that pace most of the time. If you budget of 4 blocks per day, or 100 blocks per day, or 4,000 blocks, well, I guess it can move at whatever pace in relation to how the money are coming. Trickle, 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 until it is finished. Rome wasn't built in a day. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. If you haven't liked the videos, please do. If you haven't hit the notification bell, please do. If you haven't watched my other videos, please do. Ensure that you guys are up to date with the vlogs, because a lot of persons are telling me that these vlogs are very informational, and I try to break it down as fine as I can. Them say you don't understand something until you can explain it to a child. So I hope even when a child is watching this vlog with the aspiration on doing something within the construction industry, or just anything else when I share upon this, you guys can garner some information, you know? Yeah, guys, let's move on with the vlog. Hard at work or hardly working? Just as I said that wrong while ago, it's working hard or hardly working. This is a adjustable base plate with scaffold. I don't know who has left at this. Tomorrow early in the morning, mixing our gun. Boom chakalaka. Farm work up. From the last vlog, you guys saw us putting up the backup board for underneath. That one of farm work finish, and yeah, it has been a day now. Yes, sir. So after this, then we're gonna sort out them there. Whilst we sort out that out there, so for the porch. Remember, guys, no greater than 3 feet apart. So you have the sole plate, the base plate, or mud seal. Yo, listen. Don't quote me on the mirror. I just remember. And yeah, that's for the sure. We're going on the side of the guys at my work. Casting will take place tomorrow. We'll come back for that. Yes, sir. Reset, boy. Working hard or hardly working? As you can see, my farm up this side. The casting tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Make we try one. Make it up and try and see how far it can.
Oh boy.
Might have to make the long one.
Every day I choose.
I want them more back.
What's that? First two them, first two I
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over.
Alright, team Ismash. I can't do it today. Jump on the side here. I come back tomorrow. And yeah, again, if you haven't liked the video, again, please give this video a thumbs up. And let's go. Day 2. Just to secure some shuttering material for the decking. Morning again, guys. So as you can see, we secured our decking materials and now we're finished at the process of casting the belt beam. So as you can see, the what they call them now, like the simple beams on the inside of the building are being cast. We do that side here, and then we'll finish up that side here, and then next we're gonna take on the porch, and then you should see the shuttering for the deck start to erect. it. So it is very important to start pouring in farms closer to the support or the ends, where in which you not start in here so have them have it run. So you push it closer to the support to mitigate against segregation. Not too much rodding. Chaos in the last beam. Fit to this. So Team Ismash, we have closed out the vlog for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, you guys, if you aren't subscribed, please do. If you haven't liked the video as yet, please take this opportunity to do so. And yeah, Team Ismash, we're going to 100,000 subscribers before the year done. Help me achieve such goal. Team Ismash, truly appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching this vlog. Ismash is out.